The Fed is leaving rates higher for longer, at least for now. Let's get the reaction from Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, the Fed left rates unchanged. What are your three to watch in the market today?
Yeah, so I'm watching the data dependency of the Fed. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but we'll be looking forward to the jobs report, and this is going to have a big move on the market. Now, the fact that the Fed's dependent on this, I think it adds a lot more sway to the way the market's going. And I think there's maybe a little disconnect on what the market wants and what's good for the market. I think people are looking for the Fed to cut rates. I think it's better for the market if the Fed stays flat and the economy is stronger. Now, I think obviously it'd be great if inflation came down. It'd be great if the economy is stronger. I think the market's going to love that. So I think that's what we're looking for on Friday. You know, we saw that weaker than expected GDP number. A good positive sign on the jobs, I think, would help the market stabilize here more so than weaker inflation data. Now, that'll be coming with the CPI later in the month. I think that'll be the next thing the market will be looking forward to. And finally, I think we're watching these AI stocks and this narrative continue to play out. Earnings have been mixed so far this year, but one constant has been the expenditure on AI continues to ramp up. People are still investing money in their hardware, in their data centers. They're still ramping up this AI game. So we're still in the early stages of that. So that leads me to say the leader of the market will be the semiconductor index, and we will go the direction they go.
The ADP employment report reveals 192,000 jobs were added to the economy. That's hotter than the 183,000 expected. Good for Americans, but what about the market?
The ADP number being hot is not so troubling to me, Angie. I'm glad that these jobs are good. I'm glad that the economy is strong. I think the market would much rather have a strong economy than inflation that's coming in, because at the end of the day, these stocks are fueled by economic gains.
Thanks, Joe. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.